So who am I speaking with?
My name is Ademola Crescent.
Okay, now, Mr. Ademola, I want to ask you a few questions about what's going on here. We are live at Chef Dammy's Cook-a-thon. So what do you think about this adventure she has taken up?
Well, I think what she's doing is, to me, it's 50-50. I'm not really cool with it, but at the same time, it's a free world, and we can actually do whatever we like any fucking time, you understand? So since she's like okay with it, and people at least they think it's okay, then she can go for it. At least it's a competition. So I think I'm good with it. I think I'm fine.
Yeah, so who am I speaking with?
It's Vanessa.
Okay, Ms. Vanessa, I want to ask you a few questions. We are at the Chef Dammy's Cook-a-thon.
Okay.
What do you think about what's going on here?
Well, I think it's a very, very nice gathering, but it's not really, I won't really I support her going for it because we just had one of recent, and the time has not yet ended for her before she could embark on another one. So I would say, although I will give her kudos for attempting it, but I don't really support. Like,
Okay, you have doubts.
I have doubts about timing.
So now,
Yeah.
what do you think? Because now the question people are asking is she actually doing it for the Guinness World Record? Because some people are suggesting that perhaps she.
No, I don't think it's for the Guinness record. No, it can't be because of that Guinness record, because we already have a winner already.
Okay.
Maybe this one, maybe something, maybe just for supporting, maybe Ekiti something, or maybe just to have just like a winner for Ekiti or something. That's like just fair.
So what do you have to say to people out there? Bash?
Please support her and keep supporting her. I don't know.
Nice curious.
Yeah.
Yeah. What up? What's his name, please?
My name is MC Avatar.
Okay. So where we at, bro?
We are live at Chef's Dammy, 120 Cookathon, 120 hours. We are trying. Big shout out to everybody that has been in support. It's not easy. There has been a lot of bans online. There have been a lot of conspiracy, but we are here to support our own.
What do you have
because
to say
she's our
about
own.
those bans online?
Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, when I got the information first, I was like, damn. But come on, there's nothing stopping anybody from trying anything. Yes, there's no limit to success. And all of those bands, let them keep coming. That is what will keep trending. Yes, I'm sure all of those bands will keep trending. And if you are trending, hopefully we hit 5 days. We are projecting. I'm happy to be part of this team, and it's really a pleasure to be here, to be alive. Yeah. I'm in the moment.
So we're alive in Ekiti now. Okay, so what the Cook-a-thon event? I just want to get your advice on the video that's going on here. So what do you think about this?
Is actually very great event. I believe this kind of thing has actually brought the institutions the language society, and the Cook-a-thon is always actually challenge that participants need to grow in this community. That really people are benefiting from this recipe in a particular way. Why can I actually see this new
Okay, so what do you have to say to the general public?
It makes me feel like even when I feel like someone's at the top of it, basically I can see that. So that's like that means it's really
Yeah, so what up? Who am I with here?
Layo.
I see the frenzy mood out here. What's going on?
The third Dammy is cooking. She's going for 120 hours Cook-a-thon.
Okay, so what do you think about that?
It's nice.
So you're here to like support her.
And to eat.
That's interesting. So what do you have to say to people out there and their views about what's going on here?
She's actually trying her best. She's trying her best. So people around there should come out and support her.